sweet it smells.
Well, we are still in the Hoh Rainforest. It's the Hanging Mosses Trail. It's not even quite a mile loop. It's about a 3/4 of a mile loop. But they're saying it's the oldest part of the forest, so some of these trees are over 200 feet tall, which is pretty darn amazing. Some of them are dead, some of them have been chopped off, but still pretty impressive with all the moss growing up these trees. This one's not as covered as much as the other ones, but a little piney smell in the air right back there. The pine mixed in with a little cedar. I'm not sure what tree's producing that, but it's very sweet. If you notice the sun coming out, yesterday it was 50 degrees and raining, pouring down rain. Today it's sunny, about 48 degrees right now. Still just an absolute beautiful day here in the Hoh Rainforest, the Olympic National Park. Just having a good old time, just exploring nature. I'll tell you what, if you want to get out and see some stuff you haven't seen before, this is where you need to come. Between the ferns, the moss, these big tall trees. It does not get any better than this. And you can see the size of that tree right there. Just the size of the trunk. That's normal for here. I mean, the size of this one right here. It just keeps going and going and going. Here's some of the ferns. We're just now coming into spring here, so some of the ferns had got frostbitten and stuff, but they are still gorgeous.